This is how to fix an error occurred in the ChatGPT. So let's get into it and fix this error by using the three methods. Our first method is so simple that you have to simply click on the refresh icon at the top left corner, and after refreshing your page your problem will be fixed. And in the second method you just need to click on the three dots at the top right corner and now click on the settings. Here in the settings scroll down in the left menu and then click on about Chrome, and it will automatically check for update, and if any update is available for your browser it will automatically update your browser. So wait for completing this process and then simply click on the privacy and security in the left menu and then click on clear browsing data. So right here at this interface simply click on the advanced tab. In the timeline select for all time and then select for these options here and then click on the clear data. This process may take about 15 to 20 seconds, so you have to be patient, and after completing this process simply open your ChatGPT again and refresh your page and hopefully your problem will be fixed. And the third and the most effective method is to use a different browser which is named as Mozilla Firefox. Simply download this browser and then use this browser to log into your ChatGPT, and after using this your problem will be fixed 100%. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.